What's up, y'all? We're going to talk about naming molecules real quick. Check this out. Here's the periodic table. When you have formulas that consist of atoms from both sides of the stairs, those are called ionic compounds. We're not doing those today. Today, we're focusing on compounds where all of the atoms come from this area. All of the atoms are nonmetals, or we can also throw hydrogen right here too. Hydrogen would count with this. Look at this formula right here. We've already done formulas like this before. Li2O, that's lithium oxide. Lithium oxide is one of these. It crosses the stairs. So all we do is throw an "ide" on the end of there. But remember, today's lesson is going to be about molecules. Molecules are compounds that are formed only from elements from the right side of the table. Here's an example of a molecule. I bet you already know the name of this guy, CO2. Check it out. The C is right here, and the O is right here, so both the C and the O come from just the right side of the table. The name of CO2, as I bet you already know, is carbon dioxide. Well, what makes that different from this? Oh, this time when we saw a 2, we gave it a prefix. We said di. Here are prefixes that we can use that mean numbers: mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. You don't need to memorize these. They're given to you on your North Carolina tables. Notice that we said the name of this was carbon dioxide. We don't say mono. If the first atom or the first element in the molecular compound is a single, like if, really there's kind of a 1 here. If there's one that's a 1 first, you don't say mono. You just say carbon dioxide. I'm sure you've heard of that before. What would the name of this be? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide. I bet you've heard of that too. This is what comes out of your mouth when you exhale. This is a poisonous gas that will kill you. Take a look at this molecule, C2H4. The C has a 2. That means we're going to say di. So dicarbon. And now look, the H has a 4. We're going to say tetra for the H. Dicarbon tetrahydride. That is the name of that molecule. Here's a molecule. It's a little unusual, but there are 2 oxygens and 1 chlorine. Do you remember what 2 was? Yep. 2 is di. So this is dioxygen. And then the chlorine's by itself. Mono is 1. Dioxygen monochloride. All right, name these. Hope you did great.